Hello, this is a quick guide video how to use pop-up Hanyu Da Cidian. I'm Thomas Dong-Sap An, a historian studying Chinese history and who reads a lot of classical Chinese texts. And as you can see, this is a Word document that's a passage from the Analects of Confucius. And you see I didn't do anything but just selected a certain classical Chinese words, and now what you see is a pop-up Hanyu Da Cidian. You can also try this one with Hongzi. Where is it? Yep. So he's a thinker who was active in the Chunchu period, and a tricky word like shu, or ninja, or dance. You can also use it on a web browser. 应风词 并在 There's no set phrase for 其上 but it must be 上 and 上. Yes, this character has two different ways of pronouncing. Yep, it's very easy, very handy, very quick, and very precise. You can also use it to read some PDF documents as well. Let's go to let's see. Yep, this is a journal article I downloaded from a Taiwanese journal, so it's all written in traditional characters. Hanyu Da Cidian doesn't recognize simplified characters, so it's important to use Fanti. Now you see it works very well in the PDF files. It's like this. I'm just hitting Control key and nothing else, and you see Hanyu Da Cidian pops up really well. Doesn't never fail, and this is because I'm using this free dictionary software which is called Lingoes. I'll show you how to download it and how to set it in a quick video. Okay, Google Lingoes. You'll see this little green birdie and click download, and you'll see 3 different versions. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit, but some of you must be using Windows 10 32-bit. In that case, please download this one. And one thing, it only runs in a Windows setting. If you're using MacBook, please close this video because this is not for you. I'm sorry about that. And once you download the Lingoes and finish installing it, which is fairly easy, then you'll see this little birdie icon on the toolbar. Go to Configuration, go to Text Capture tab, and change the mouse activation option. I use mouse over plus control, which I think is the best one. Well, it's my opinion. Change it to suit your taste. And you can also choose different options. I normally ignore number and Cyrillic and Arabic Hebrew. It enhances the recognition rate, and it decreases the failures. And also you can install text capture plugins. I already installed Chrome and PDF plugins. If you're a big fan of Firefox, you can download Firefox plugin as well. Okay, if everything is done, please click OK. Now it's time to download Hanyu Da Cidian. Lingoes is just a nearly empty software. To make it work, you need to download data, real dictionaries, and install them into Lingoes. Let's go back to Google search result, and you'll see there is an add dictionaries link here. Click it. There are loads of different dictionaries. Let's go to Chinese T. T stands for traditional dictionaries. And please click more. And you'll see, we'll just scroll down and you'll see Hanyu Da Cidian. Please download from server 2 because server 1 is not working at the moment. It's only 70 megabytes, which is not huge, but will certainly take a couple of minutes. And once you finish downloading it, just go to your download folder and double click the dictionary file. Then it will automatically add it to Lingoes. The last thing you need to do is to go to the bottom right corner. Can you see show hidden icons? Left click it, and there is a little green birdie here, Lingoes. Right click this icon, and you'll probably see only the top one activated. Please make sure the top two options are both activated. That's it. Now it's time to enjoy. Ta-da! Just put your mouse cursor over the word and hit Control key. And when you find difficult, tricky words in the Hanyu Da Cidian, you can do the same. Put your mouse cursor over it, hit the Control key. Ta-da! Now enjoy. Thank you very much.